Hi guys, and welcome back to Caugh on DashCam channel. Today's episode is packed with the latest and craziest road encounters, so make sure to stick till the end and write me your opinion about it. We won't delay any further. Sit back, press play and enjoy today's episode. Crazy driver passed the camera and purposely brake checked him. Check it out. Someone threw a box in the middle of the road, and even though it was nighttime, this driver managed to move around it.
I looked at my phone, I have both Google Pay and GPay, and I didn't realize it at first. And what's really confusing is if you open up GPay and hit ready to play, which is ready to pay, not ready to play. I guess if you're ready to I have both Google Pay and GPay, and I didn't realize it at first. And what's really confusing is
Van driver cut the camera off for no real reason, and it looks like he wanted to provoke a road rage out of nothing. Check out how the camera calmly reacted to it all. When you run into a patch of ice on the road, it can easily come to a spin out, like in this situation here. Luckily, the gentleman was doing just fine.
Oops. Yeah, no, this is not the best way.
I don't know. I think it's for this. I don't know.
Going down power.
Yeah, going. Look at this.
Taxi.
Come on, bird. Bird. Okay.
Come at me, bro.
Move. Oh, shoot.
Okay, Presto.
It came to a road rage situation because the camera didn't allow this drunk driver to force his way in front of him. The whole scene was crazy, and it looked like something out of an action movie. Stick around to see what went down.
something else. That was really cool. That was really cool. You idiot. Now let's see your song and dance here.
There you go, JB, you dumb son of a... That's real good. Real good, you asshole, yeah. Move your hand up like a goddamn dumbass. Don't even pay attention, just do whatever you want to do. That's the way all y'all do it.
The number one goal of police officers is to obtain ID of a citizen to enter them into a database such as NCIC, National Crime Information Center.
Pick up your room and put all the pretty pillows on. What do we do?
Sure.
Thank you, honey. This is the about that, because we have to change everything. Well, this house, it is...
With this clip, we conclude yet another episode on Caugh on DashCam channel. Make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed watching it. Your support means a lot, and without it, none of this would even be possible. Until the next episode, take care.